This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Janette Woodruff. Well-kept Willoughby condo on private beach. Less than 100 feet from door to sand, per cellar. 2 covered parking spaces below condo, plentiful guest parking, no upstairs or downstairs neighbors, storage shed and cozy porch. Travel upstairs from parking on lower level to condo. Fireplace, washer, dryer, and furniture can convey. Move-in ready. Pier, interstate, shopping, dining, bases and more. FHA and VA approved. Condo fee covers trash pickup, exterior maintenance, landscaping, flood and master insurance. For more information, review the details below.